Are you stuck in a 9 to 5 job, dreaming of working for yourself but have no idea where to start? Keep watching because by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to use AI to build an online business without needing any technical skills or experience or a big investment. If you're tired of the daily grind and want a real strategy to escape it, this video is for you. I'll show you how AI can help you launch, grow and scale your business faster than ever before. So if you're ready to take control of your time and your income, let's dive in. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to use AI to find a profitable business idea. You don't need $1 million idea. AI can help you find proven profitable niches by analyzing large sets of marketing data. You can use tools like ChatGPT and Google Trends to identify emerging trends and consumer demands. I recommend using AI to analyze social media conversations, forums and review sites. AI can uncover hidden pain points that real people are facing right now in the marketplace. If you want to validate an idea fast, use AI-powered survey tools like Typeform with automated data analysis to see what potential customers truly need. You can increase your chances of success by focusing on markets where people are already spending lots of money. AI can scan online marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy and Shopify to reveal trending and top selling products. Make sure that you choose a niche where AI can automate the major tasks such as content creation, customer service and sales, which saves you time and lots of effort. A smart way for you to get an idea is by using AI-powered personality tests to match your strengths and your interests with online business opportunities. If you struggle with finding a unique angle, AI can help you create a blue ocean strategy by analysing gaps in the market where competition is low. Don't forget to check AI generated reports on audience demand to ensure your business idea has long-term growth potential and not just temporary hype. You can use AI-powered keyword research tools like Ubersuggest or SEMrush to identify untapped micro niches with high demand and low competition. The key thing here is to make data-driven decisions rather than just guessing. AI can provide real-time insights that increase your chances of success. If you want more clarity, ask AI to generate a step-by-step business plan based on your niche, budget and your target audience. To make your decision much easier, let AI compare different business models, showing you the risks, competition and profit potential for each one. Remember, you're not guessing anymore. AI gives you a clear, actionable data that helps you pick a business idea with real profit potential. I've created some free training resources to show you how to build an online income stream using AI. If you want to learn more, click the link in the description below and get started today. Now let's get back to the video. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to automate content creation for marketing. You can't build an online business without marketing, and AI can help you create content that attracts customers without spending hours writing. If you struggle with writing, AI tools like Jasper, Copy.ai and WriteSonic can generate high quality blog posts, sales pages and social media captions in minutes. I recommend using AI powered copywriting frameworks like AIDA, AIDA and PAS to create persuasive marketing messages that drive engagement and more sales. Make sure that you use AI to repurpose content effectively. AI can turn one blog post into a YouTube script, social media snippets and even email sequences. If your struggle is with making graphics, AI powered design tools like Canva, Adobe Sensei and Runway ML can generate professional looking visuals more simply for you. To increase your reach even further, use AI driven tools like BuzzSumo and vidIQ to analyze viral content trends and create similar high performing posts. You can boost your engagement by using AI powered chatbots to respond to comments and messages, making your brand more interactive and more responsive. Don't forget to use AI-driven video editing tools like Descript and Pictory, which can automatically trim clips and add captions and also enhance video quality. One of the best things you can do is let AI schedule and post content for you using tools like Buffer or Hootsuite. keeping your social media active 24/7. The thing that you want to focus on is consistency, and AI helps you maintain a steady flow of content even when you're busy. If you want more traffic, use AI-powered SEO tools to optimize your content with the best keywords, meta descriptions, and headlines. A smart way for you to improve results is by using AI analytics to track engagement, to see what's working and adjust your strategy in real time. To help you go viral, let AI suggest trending topics based on real-time data and craft content designed to generate maximum shares and views. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to use AI for customer service and sales. You can't grow a business without excellent customer service, and AI can handle 90% of the support tasks automatically. If you want to save time, AI chatbots like ChatFuel and ManyChat can answer FAQs, process orders, and handle customer inquiries instantly. I suggest that you use AI-powered email automation tools like MailChimp and ConvertKit to send personalized responses and follow-up emails. Make sure that you integrate AI-powered CRM systems like HubSpot or Salesforce to track customer behavior and send targeted offers at the right moment. You can increase your conversion rates by using AI to analyze buying patterns and suggest personalized product recommendations. If your struggle is with generating leads, AI-driven lead scoring tools can automatically sort and qualify your best potential customers. A smart way for you to improve sales is by using AI-generated sales scripts that adjust based on the customer's interests and objections. Don't forget to use AI-powered recommendation engines which analyze past behavior to suggest the most relevant products or services to each customer. If you want higher retention, AI can send customized follow-up messages reminding customers of abandoned carts or special offers. To make your customer experience more seamless, AI can monitor and respond to social media comments, ensuring every question is answered. The thing you want to focus on is making every customer feel valued, and AI enables personalized interactions at scale. If you struggle with upselling, AI tools can suggest relevant upgrades or add-ons based on what the customer has already purchased. To help you scale faster, AI can handle repetitive tasks while you simply focus on growth and strategy. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is AI-powered productivity hacks to scale faster. You only have 24 hours in a day, and AI can help you free up time by automating repetitive tasks like scheduling, invoicing, and email responses. If you want to stay organized, AI-powered project management tools like ClickUp, Trello, and Asana can prioritize tasks, assign deadlines, and track progress automatically. I recommend that you use AI time tracking tools like Rescue Time and Clockify to analyze your work habits, showing you exactly where you're losing time and how you can optimize your schedule. Make sure that you use AI-powered scheduling assistants like Motion or Reclaim.ai, which automatically adjust your calendar based on priority tasks, meetings, and deadlines. You can also boost your efficiency by automating emails and reminders using AI tools like Mail Butler or Superhuman to draft responses, sort messages, and schedule follow-ups. If you struggle with focus, AI-driven productivity apps like Brain.fm and Nozily can generate custom background sounds to improve concentration and block distractions. A smart way for you to save time is by using AI-powered transcription tools like Otter.ai or Fireflies to turn long meetings into quick, searchable summaries. To help you scale faster, AI virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and ChatGPT can handle research, answer questions, and manage tasks while you focus on the growth. If you want to automate financial tasks, AI tools like QuickBooks and FreshBooks can categorize expenses, generate reports, and send invoices without any manual effort. One of the best things you can do is use AI-powered writing assistants like Grammarly and Hemingway Editor to speed up content creation and make your writing clearer. The key thing is to eliminate unnecessary tasks, and AI-powered automation tools like Zapier and Make.com can connect apps and streamline workflows effortlessly. To make your decision-making process faster, AI analytics platforms like Tableau and Google Analytics can provide instant insights based on data trends. Don't forget to use AI for social media automation, scheduling posts, engaging with comments, and analysing performance so your brand stays active without any manual work. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is AI-powered advertising and lead generation. You don't have to waste money on ads that don't work, because AI can analyse audience behaviour and optimise campaigns in real time. If you want to target the right customers, AI ad platforms like Facebook AI and Google Ads Smart Bidding can automatically adjust your campaigns for better results. I suggest that you use AI-powered landing page builders like Unbounce or Instapage, which create high converting pages based on data-driven insights. Make sure that you use AI-driven ad copy tools like Persuado and Copy.ai to write compelling ad headlines and descriptions that increase click-through rates. You can boost your ad ROI by letting AI split test different versions of your ads and automatically choose the best performing ones. If you struggle with finding the right audience, AI-powered tools like Clearbit and Leadfeeder can identify and target your ideal customers. A smart way for you to save money on ads is by using AI to detect and stop underperforming campaigns before they waste your budget. Don't forget to use AI-driven retargeting tools which automatically re-engage visitors who left your website without making a purchase. If you want higher conversions, AI-powered chatbots can identify and qualify leads, answer questions, and guide potential customers through the buying process. To make your sales process easier, AI CRM systems can predict which leads are most likely to convert, helping you focus on high-value customers. The key thing here is automation, and AI lets you run effective ad campaigns without spending hours managing them manually. If you struggle with writing email campaigns, AI-powered email automation tools can personalize subject lines, offers, and follow-ups to boost engagement. To help you scale your advertising efforts, AI marketing tools can analyze competitors, find gaps in their strategies, and suggest profitable ad angles for your business. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is AI-driven email marketing and sales automation. You can turn email marketing into an automated sales machine, and AI makes it easier by personalizing every email for maximum conversions. If you want higher open rates, AI tools like 7sense and Phrase can analyze subject lines and suggest the best ones on engagement data. I suggest that you use AI-powered segmentation so each subscriber gets emails tailored to their interests, increasing clicks and sales. Make sure that you use AI email automation platforms like ActiveCampaign and HubSpot to send follow-ups at the perfect time without any manual effort. You can boost conversions with AI-driven A/B testing, which compares different email formats, images, and CTA buttons to find what works best. If you struggle with writing the emails, AI copywriting tools like Copy.ai and Jasper can generate persuasive email sequences in seconds. A smart way for you to increase revenue is by using AI predictive analytics to identify which leads are most likely to buy and prioritize them. To help you recover any lost sales, AI can detect abandoned shopping carts and send automated reminder emails with personalized discount offers. If you want to improve your engagement, AI can analyze past email behavior and schedule future emails at the exact time each subscriber is most likely to open them. One of the best things you can do is use AI chatbots in emails, answering questions and guiding leads towards purchases in real time. Don't forget to use AI-powered dynamic content which changes email text and images based on each subscriber's preferences and past actions. The key thing here for you is automation, and AI lets you scale your email marketing while keeping it personal and highly relevant. To make your email marketing campaigns even stronger, AI analytics can track performance, giving you data-driven recommendations to help you improve results. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is AI-driven product creation and digital assets. You don't have to spend months creating a product. AI can generate high-quality digital products like ebooks, online courses and templates in minutes. If you want to create an online course, AI-powered platforms like Course AI and Teachable can outline your content, create the scripts and even generate quizzes. I suggest that you use AI writing tools like Jasper and ChatGPT to draft entire ebooks, reports or guides that you can sell or use for lead generation. Make sure that you use AI-powered design tools like Canva's AI and Adobe Firefly to create digital planners, social media templates and printables to sell online. You can further boost your income by using AI voice generators, which can turn text into professional audio content for audiobooks, podcasts and courses. If you struggle with coding, AI-powered no-code platforms like Bubble and Adalo let you build apps, software and websites without any technical skills. A smart way for you to create profitable digital products is by using AI-generated art on platforms like Midjourney or DALL-E to sell stock images, logos or NFTs. To make your products really stand out, AI can analyze competitors and suggest unique angles, features and value propositions for better positioning. Don't forget to use AI-powered video creation tools like Pictory and Synthesia, which can turn blog posts or scripts into professional-looking videos. If you want to create memberships or subscription products, AI-powered platforms like Kajabi and Podia can automate content delivery and member engagement. One of the best things you can do is use AI for pricing optimization, analyzing customer behavior to suggest the best price points for maximum profit. To help you generate more leads, AI can create personalized digital giveaways such as AI-generated quizzes, lead magnets, or chatbot-driven free trials. The key thing here is scalability. AI lets you create digital assets that can be sold over and over again without any additional effort. Well, there you have it for today. 7 powerful tips that you can start using right away. Now, if you're serious about building your online business and creating a sustainable online income, take the next step now and click the link below in the description or the comments to access my website, where you'll find some free training resources to help you get started immediately. These free step-by-step resources are designed to guide you through launching a successful online business and generating online income streams. So don't wait, take action now and click the link below and start your journey now. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It really does energize and motivate me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And if you would like to connect on social, you can find me on LinkedIn and Instagram. The links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel, and have a wonderful day.